Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to use the vector tools in Photoshop. Let's just get into it. First, what you have to do, of course, is press the new just to start a new project. You can choose whatever presets you like. I like to use 1080p just because it's standard basically. Make sure to name your project. I'm just going to name it my last name and vector since that's what the project is. Now that we're here, let's just select the vector tool. As you can see, there's a lot of different shapes that you can choose from. I'm just going to choose the rounded tool since it has quite a lot of points and it makes things easier for me in this tutorial. As you can see, it immediately filled it in. You can also change it just from going up here in the fill box. Once you press it, it opens up the menu. You have quite a big selection of different colors that you can choose from, but you can also just choose from like the color picker, I guess. And with this, you can choose whatever color you'd like. Let's just do something random like this pretty blue. Now that we have our shape, as you can see, vector shapes in Photoshop have a stroke around them. Basically just an outline. You can't really see it because, well, you can't see it at all since there is no color with them. It opens up the same color menu as the fill, so just choose whatever you like. I'm just going to choose standard black just because no need to get fancy. And since we have a 1080p, it being only a single pixel is going to make it quite difficult to see anything, so let's just scale that up a bit. Now that you have the stroke, we can actually start with shaping the shape. Just head over to the tool section and pick the selection tool. It might look like this with the black fill in, but you want the white one, so then you can choose the points. Once you get that, just press on the point that you would like to sculpt with and just click and drag it out. This is going to pop up just asking you if you're aware that it's going to turn into a live shape. Just press yes. As you can see, the shape immediately changes shape to fill in the areas that the point is in now. If you want to add more points to the shape that you have, all you have to do is go to the pen tool and the add anchor point tool. Select wherever you would like to add the new anchor point. And with this, you now have your new anchor. Just click and drag it out. As you can see, this is a little different from the previous point that we had. It's a bit more curved. That's because this anchor is a little different from the other ones that we've had. You can swap between these using the converting point tool. Let's say you rather this be just a straight angle, no curves to it. Just click on it with the conversion point tool. Or let's say you do want to get the curves. All you have to do is click on it, drag it out, and you'll get these curves, which will give you much more flexibility to shape the shape any way you'd like. With the conversion tool, you can also click on the curve points and drag them out wherever you'd like, so you can individually move the sides the way you'd like, giving you even more flexibility on how to mold your shape. Only other thing you really need to know before you get to making some vector art is then the pen tool. To remove some of the points, you just go right under the add point, you click on delete point, and you just press on whichever point you want to get rid of. Like that. That actually looks a little odd. Let's get rid of it again.